walking the dogs, or are they walking me? It's me walking the dogs bright and early before anybody's awake. It's so nice out today. Look at the sky. Makes me grateful, right? The weather is nice. It's a short day today. It's much warmer than it was yesterday. I totally forgot to film this morning's first fueling, guys. It was the chocolate drizzle bar. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. I just had my coffee and had the bar and went, oh my gosh, I totally forgot to film. So, sorry. I have a couple patients to see, so I'm gonna go home and get into my work attire. They are virtual meetings. Then I have one that I have to go meet this afternoon. And then in the meantime, I bought a picture collage frame. I'll show you what it looks like to go into my little room, my she room. And I need 8 pictures. How hard is it to pick only 8? And 4 vertical and 4 horizontal. It's like that collage kind of thing. So I'm gonna have to run to CVS and somehow print some pictures. So we will be doing that together in the video today. Lean and green tonight is likely gonna be some kind of seafood, but I'm looking to do something different. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling Cajun, or I don't know. I guess we'll figure that out later. And just a couple of other things around the house. So that'll be today's video. So let's get the day started. Woo, it's hot out and I'm enjoying a peanut butter bar right now. Just finished printing off all the pictures for that collage. So when we get home, you and I are gonna sit down and create this beautiful picture. I decided to go with all of my pets. Molly Paisley, we've got Petunia, we've got Boo, I have Shawanda, you've never seen her. She was a fish, a giant fish that I had. I'll show you everything as we go, but right now I'm just gonna eat my little peanut butter bar. I know this is a big favorite for all of you, as is mine. All right, we'll see you at home. Made a little pit stop. We are at the Christmas tree shop. I want to see if I could find another one of those collage frames. So, see you inside. Here's my little collage. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare with the window, but I have all my pets that I've had and some that I still have. I love that frame. That looks great. So there it is. There's my little stand, my pictures. I think it looks great. Hey guys, so it's lean and green time. I have 6 ounces of chicken breast mixed with 270 grams of riced cauliflower. And then I added a tablespoon of the Chipotle ranch on top, which I absolutely love. So it kind of tastes like Chipotle, plain and simple. That's what I'm going for. So that's what we're having tonight. All right guys, so it's fueling number 5 time. And I made a roll out of mashed potatoes. I didn't put the hole in the middle because I wasn't feeling a bagel. So this is just mashed potatoes, 2 egg whites, a teaspoon of baking powder, mixed, put in my air fryer for about not even 10 minutes. And I put Laughing Cow on it. So good. Oh, and I mixed the everything but the bagel seasoning in it, so it doesn't flake off all over me, but still gives the taste. How good does that look? Whoa, I just got caught in the rain walking the dogs. It's a thunderstorm, and I literally just got in the nick of time to make fueling number 6. Chocolate pudding with whipped cream, 1 little plop of whipped cream. I'm not going overboard tonight. So this was a productive day. Not the most fun, but definitely productive. Stayed on plan, did great. I didn't drink enough water though, so I don't know how that's going to affect me tomorrow, but I did the best I could, and that's the name of the game. You do the best you can. I'm not perfect. I falter sometimes. I go overboard. I don't do enough, this and that. You guys see what I eat in a day, but I could always do a little bit better, but it's real life. This is the way it goes down. So with that being said, I hope you all have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah! Stay focused, guys.